Namaste everybody. This video is all about DIY and to bring a lot of smile on your face. So welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy from Intomylilworld. The first DIY is a homemade gesso and a DIY organizer. So homemade gesso is very easy to make and it is made with easily available stuff at your place. So I've taken a tablespoon. So the important ingredient is the talcum powder, then 1 tablespoon of glue and 1 tablespoon of white acrylic color. Mix it really well. If required, you can add a little drop of water so that it can mix really well. This should be the consistency. Now apply the gesso mixture on the tin box. I have applied with a flat brush. You can even use a sponge dabber. Apply it really well. You can also apply 2 coats. So for the second coat you have to dry it really well. Now I'm applying it on the cover of the tin box. So when the box dries, it will give you a matte look. So I've taken a napkin for decoupage. So I'm just checking the size of the lid. Now the important tip here is that if you have to cut out the structure of the lid on the napkin, you have to dab the brush with water and then create the line on the tissue so that it will give you a very rough edge when you tear it, and it will be very easy to paste and it will give you a very neat look. So the size is perfect. And for decoupaging, you have to take out 1 layer of the tissue out, and this is how it will look. So I'm trying to make a Mod Podge glue by mixing the glue and the water. Spread evenly on the lid, on the surface, and then try to paste that decoupage paper on it evenly. Just check the sides and evenly place it on the lid. Again, I'm using the glue on top of it. I'm using the same technique to cut a rectangular strip of this tissue so that I can place it around the box. Again, I have taken a layer of the sheet from the tissue and I will place it all over the box around. So again, I'm using the Mod Podge glue and then on top of it, the tissue. Spread it really well, evenly put the glue around. So I'm fixing the edges. So after drying, this is how it will look. Now to prevent it from any kind of tearing or any scratches, we have to varnish it. So I've used the flat brush again. So now I've taken 2 strips of cardboard pieces according to the size of the box. And this is how I have cut it to give this cross shape. Place it inside that box and here the organizer is ready. So you can put your clips, you can put your safety pins, your knick-knack things that you have around for your cosmetics or the accessories. You can use it as an organizer. Here to add more pop, I'm using a hard yarn and I'm twirling the yarn, the red color yarn, around that box to give a nice look. Now tie the heart with the yarn and ta-da! It's ready! The second DIY is a cute jewelry organizer. So I have taken a ceramic pot and it was cracked here, yes, somewhere here where I tried to use some glue. So I thought I'll use it as a jewelry organizer. So let's see how it turns out. I'm using the same gesso mixture evenly all over the surface. I've used the same technique to decoupage the tissue all over it, and I'm vernishing it as well. Now my favorite part is to collect those branches whenever I go to the park. So since I didn't get the desired shape, I have tied this yarn and created this shape that I wanted. I'm using the metallic golden color, and this is how it will turn out. So I put some mud, some soil, and then I have used it as a stand. And this is how it looks. And this is how you can arrange the jewelries, and it really looks nice. And guys, if you like to see more such cute and easy DIY videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications. Do share, like and subscribe. So please enjoy the video till the end. Keep watching my videos and smiling. Hope to see you soon with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.